on the blackboard are written the reciprocals of the first 2014 positive integers. In a move, we may erase two numbers and replace them by the sum of their sum and their product. Eventually, only one number remains. What is the maximum value of this number? Okay, we look at this first board. That means actually there are two now. Can I just take two numbers on this board, A and B, right? According to the rule, you erase these two number. You are replacing it by A plus B plus A times B. And then you can do some factorization. It becomes A plus 1 multiplied by B plus 1 minus 1. And take note, all these number A and B are reciprocal of the first 2014 positive numbers. That means it's 1 over 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 3, all the way to 2014. Then why not we do a second board? The second board number are actually one more than the first board. Take for example, this number is A. Then in the second board, the number is actually A plus 1. And this number is B. The second board is actually B plus 1. Then can you see that when these two numbers are erased, you actually get this. Therefore, now the rule, we follow this rule. But what you get is, in the first board, what you get is A plus 1, B plus 1. But the thing is, in the second board, when you erase these two numbers, because it's the same, right? That means it's equivalent. That means you equivalent. And then you replace it by A plus 1 and then B plus 1. Every time you erase two numbers, you actually replace it by the product of A plus of these two numbers, basically. And what are the initial number of the second board? It is actually 2, because 1 plus 1 is 2, right? And then half plus 1, you get 3 over 2. And then all the way, 1 plus 1 over 2014 is actually 2015 over 2014. And I think when you repeat this process, right? You repeat this process of replacing the two numbers by A plus 1 multiplied by B plus 1, right? You repeat this process. This process, right? Okay, the number left on the second board. On the second board, is actually what? It is actually equal to what? It is actually equal to 2 times 3 over 2. Okay, I don't need to put bracket, right? And then multiplied by 4 over 3 multiplied by all the way to 2015 over 2014. And the answer is actually 2015. That means the number left in the second board is actually 2015. But the thing is, the first board, the number left is actually one less than the number left in the second board, right? Therefore, in this case, can I say that number left on the first board is actually equal to what? 2015 minus 1, and that is 2014. Therefore, the answer is 2014. Very interesting question, actually. Yeah, thanks.